Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gurukul India. Today we are going to learn more about general knowledge, which is very important for Indian examinations. So today we are going to look after all the first things done by the people all around the globe. Let's proceed. The first person to reach Mount Everest, Sherpa Tenzing and Edmund Hillary. The first person to reach the North Pole, Robert Peary, the first person to reach the South Pole, Amundsen, the first religion of the world, Hinduism, the first country to print book, China, the first country to issue paper currency, China, the first country to commence a competitive examination in civil services, China, the first President of the United States of America, George Washington, the first Prime Minister of Britain, Robert Walpole, the first Governor General of the United Nations, Trygve Lie from Norway, the first country to win the Football World Cup, Uruguay, the first country to prepare a constitution, United States of America, the first Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the first country to host NAM Summit, Belgrade, the first European to attack India, Alexander the Great, the first European to reach China, Marco Polo, the first person to fly an aeroplane, Wright brothers, the first person to sail around the world, Magellan, the first country to send a man to the moon, United States of America, the first country to launch artificial satellite in the space, Russia, the first country to host the modern Olympics, Greece, the first country on which the atom bomb was dropped, Hiroshima, Japan, the first person to land on the moon, Neil Armstrong, followed by Edwin E. Aldrin, the first shuttle to go in space, Columbia, the first spacecraft to reach on Mars, Viking 1, the first woman Prime Minister of England, Margaret Thatcher, the first Muslim Prime Minister of a country, Benazir Bhutto, Pakistan, the first woman Prime Minister of a country, Mrs. Srimavo Bandaranaike, Sri Lanka, the first woman to climb Mount Everest, Mrs. Junko Tebai, the first woman cosmonaut of the world, Valentina Tereshkova, the first woman president of the UN General Assembly, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, the first man to fly into space, Yuri Gagarin, Russia, the first batsman to score three Test century in three successive Tests on debut, Mohammad Azharuddin, the first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice, Nawang Gombo, the first US president to resign presidency, Richard Nixon. First satellite in space. Sputnik 1, October 4, 1957. First woman to command a space mission. Colonel. Ellen Collins, USA. July 23, 1999. First atom bomb used. Little boy dropped over Hiroshima in 1947. First country to deploy 4G in Asia. India in 10th April 2012. First woman to win an Olympic gold medal. Charlotte Cooper, UK, tennis single in 1900. That's all, folks. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more learning.